In this video, I'm going to dive into the PureVPN affiliate program, a popular option for anyone interested in affiliate marketing, particularly in the VPN niche. PureVPN is known for its high-quality VPN service, and their affiliate program allows marketers to earn commissions by promoting their products. When you join the PureVPN affiliate program, you get access to various marketing materials, such as banners, landing pages, and unique affiliate links to track your referrals. One of the key selling points of this affiliate program is the competitive commission structure. Affiliates can earn up to 100% commission on the first sale, making it a great opportunity for anyone starting in affiliate marketing or looking to increase their earnings. The program is structured to reward affiliates for their efforts, with recurring commissions for customers who continue their subscriptions. PureVPN offers real-time tracking and analytics, so you can monitor the performance of your campaigns and optimize them for better results. You'll also find dedicated support from their affiliate team, which is a huge benefit for those new to affiliate marketing. Plus, they provide a 30-day cookie duration, which means you can still earn commissions from customers who sign up within that period after clicking your affiliate link. The website itself is easy to navigate, and the sign-up process is straightforward. Once you're approved, you'll be given access to the affiliate dashboard, where you can track your earnings, see detailed reports, and get access to promotional tools. The payout threshold is reasonable, and you can choose to receive your payment through various methods, including PayPal. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so make sure to check that out after watching. These links provide additional resources to help you get started with affiliate marketing or explore other VPN-related programs. If you're looking for an affiliate program that offers high earning potential with a reputable product like PureVPN, this program is definitely worth considering. Be sure to watch until the end for a final summary, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on affiliate marketing.